he is lying. He did not simply say he is mistaken. He must be mistaken. Maybe matanda na yan.
Hindi niya na binigyan ng excuse.
Oh, maybe senior moment. Or maybe the president is just joking. Sabi nga ni Harry Roque dati.
Nariro ka lagi yung the president, nagbibiro lamang yung presidente.
So it's so devoid, the pronouncement is so devoid of diplomatic finesse na dati na-witness natin sa kanila nung nag-aaway pa. 'Di ba si Marcos was very very patient with the Dutertes, with the Dutertes. But now I think he is
At the end of the rope.
at the end of the road taking a different tack altogether. And yeah, it's very interesting times ahead.
And I think
Yeah.
personally, no, this is, okay, Danny, mukha ako, pakilabas. Okay, I think this is a very, yung nga sabi mo, a very interesting road ahead. And I think what the president is doing now, the approach he is doing when it comes to the Dutertes is, you know what, it's been long overdue na okay, labas natin yung mga pagmumuka ng mga ating presidente. Iyan, di ba? I think the approach, no, this type of President Marcos is long overdue na he should have taken these steps earlier on, no, mga unang patutsada pa lang ng former president. He should have stood on his ground, di ba? Hardline stance talaga.